Welcome to Byte-Sized Tech, where we blend casual conversations with insightful discussions on the latest in technology and gadgets.
Always exciting to be here.
So today,
You're looking at.
yeah, we've got a real head-scratcher for you today, folks. We're talking TVs, but
TVs?
not just any TV.
Okay.
It's TCL's brand new QM6K TV.
The QM6K.
Yeah, and what's got everyone buzzing? Well, it's hitting shelves right now.
Right now.
In February.
Oh.
Which is practically unheard of in the TV world.
Yeah, usually it's like later in the year, right?
Exactly.
Closer to the holidays.
Like finding a pumpkin spice latte in July.
Yeah.
Something's definitely up.
Okay.
So we've got this first look source that dives into some live unboxing
I've
data.
heard unboxing data, so they're like
Oh yeah, they were like
taking measurements as they're opening the
as they're opening the box. It's pretty cool.
That is cool.
So we're going to see what we can learn from that.
Okay.
Is TCL trying to shake things up? Does this early release tell us anything about the QM6K itself?
So many questions.
Yeah. What do you think?
Well, it's definitely a curious move, isn't it?
Yeah.
TVs are almost always launched later in the year.
Right.
You know, building up the hype for the holiday season, this February release.
Mm-hmm.
It could signal a shift in the industry.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe even influence other manufacturers to reconsider their launch strategies.
Yeah. You know, it makes you wonder if TCL is trying to capitalize on a quieter time of year. Maybe they're thinking, hey, less competition, more attention on us.
Could be.
But it's a gamble, right?
Oh, for sure.
What if consumers aren't ready to buy TVs just yet?
It's a risk, but perhaps they're seeing some early demand signals we're not aware of.
Ooh, interesting.
Or maybe TCL is just so confident in the QM6K that they want to get it out there ASAP.
That could be it, too.
You know, the source we have, it
Yeah.
does mention some interesting features.
Okay, like what?
Well, the author seems particularly keen to explore the panel type.
The panel type.
You know, which basically dictates the screen technology used.
Right. That makes sense.
Makes a big difference.
Yeah, okay, so panel type, that's one.
And then there's the processing power,
Processing power.
which you can think of as the brains of the TV.
The brains, okay.
You know, how quickly it can handle all the image data and everything.
Yeah, that's crucial.
Super important.
Plus, the source mentions gaming performance
Oh, yeah.
and HDR capabilities.
That's here one. Can't forget HDR.
Right. Can you
Remind
us what HDR is all about?
Absolutely. HDR stands for
Okay.
High Dynamic Range.
High dynamic range.
And it's all about expanding the range of colors in contrast.
Gotcha.
Think of it like this.
Okay.
HDR allows the TV to display brighter whites and deeper blacks,
Deeper blacks, yeah.
resulting in a more realistic and vibrant image.
So it's not just about more colors.
No.
It's about more depth to those colors.
Precisely. It's like the difference between
Well, I like this.
listening to a song on a tiny radio
Okay.
versus experiencing it live in a concert hall.
Ooh, nice analogy.
There you go.
Okay, so
Yeah.
we've got this early launch, potentially a new strategy from TCL,
It seems like it.
and some exciting features to unpack.
Yeah, definitely.
But what does the first look data actually tell us about the QM6K's performance?
Getting down to the nitty-gritty.
Yeah, that's what we're here for, right?
That's what people want to know.
Exactly.
Well, the source really emphasizes the live aspect of their measurements.
Oh, yeah, they mentioned that.
They were literally taking data
Wow.
as they unboxed the TV.
That's dedication.
It is. And initial impressions of the picture quality are positive.
Okay,
They noted good color accuracy
that's good.
and impressive brightness, even in a well-lit room.
Ooh, that's a good sign.
Definitely a good sign.
But remember, this is just a first look.
Yeah.
So we're not getting the full picture just yet.
Yeah.
The source author also expressed some
concerns.
Okay, about the panel type potentially limiting the HDR performance.
Oh, so they're worried it might not.
Yeah, they're worried it might not be able to achieve the full potential of HDR content.
That's a valid point.
Right.
TCL could be pushing the boundaries with this TV.
Trying to do too much.
Well, maybe.
Okay.
Trying to offer HDR capabilities,
Yeah.
but at a competitive price point?
So cutting corners somewhere.
Possibly. It's hard to say for sure at this point.
Yeah.
But it's crucial to see how it performs in real-world viewing scenarios.
Yeah, you can't just go by the specs all the time.
Exactly. Real-world use is key.
Okay, so
Yeah.
we'll need those in-depth reviews
You will.
to get a better sense of whether those concerns are warranted.
Yeah.
Now, what about gaming performance?
Yes. Gaming.
Did the source touch on that at all?
They did mention they'll be testing
Okay.
input lag and response times.
Input lag.
Yeah.
What's that?
So input lag refers to the delay
Okay.
between pressing a button on your controller
Okay.
and seeing the action on screen.
Gotcha.
Lower input lag
Mm-hmm.
means a more responsive and immersive gaming experience.
Oh, so that's really important for gamers.
Extremely important.
Okay, so big question.
Hit me.
Is the QM6K a game changer? Or just an early bird that flew out a little too soon?
That's the million-dollar question.
Right. Guess we'll have to wait and see.
Yeah.
But this early release definitely throws some interesting questions into the mix.
Absolutely.
Is this the start of a new trend?
Who knows?
Is TCL onto something big?
It's exciting, that's for sure.
Yeah, it is. What do you think? Let us know in the comments.
I'm really curious to see how this unfolds.
Me too.
And it'll be interesting to see how the TV market responds in the coming months.
For sure. For sure.
Lots to keep an eye on.
Thanks for tuning in to Byte-Sized Tech.
It's been fun.
If you enjoyed the episode, like, comment, share, and subscribe for more fun tech discussions.
See you next time.